Have you ever noticed that many elderly people start losing strength in their legs without even realizing it? One day they climb stairs with ease, and the next, they already feel their legs weak, heavy, and unsteady. What almost no one knows is that this doesn't happen just because of age, but mainly due to a mistake made every single night before going to sleep. While you rest, your body keeps working. And if an essential nutrient is missing at this time, the body starts pulling protein from the muscles, especially from the legs, which are the foundation of our body. This is how, silently, muscle loss happens, robbing mobility, independence, and even quality of life. The question is, are you feeding your muscles during the night, or are you letting them disappear little by little? The answer could determine whether, a few years from now, you'll still be walking steadily or depending on others just to get out of bed. The good news is that the body isn't condemned to lose strength just because age has arrived. Recent research shows that even after 60 or 70 years old, it's possible to regain muscle and firmness simply by adjusting your diet before sleeping. And we're not talking about expensive medications or miracle formulas, but about something natural, accessible, and that few people know about. When you consume the right protein at night, your body receives a continuous supply of amino acids during sleep. This means that instead of pulling protein from the leg muscles, the body starts repairing and rebuilding those fibers while you rest. The result is more energy in the morning, better balance, and a feeling of steadiness that many seniors thought they'd never feel again. In European countries, doctors specialized in longevity already recommend this simple habit, consuming a source of slow-digesting protein at the end of the day. And the reports are impressive. Seniors who were once afraid to walk alone have regained confidence, are sleeping better, and waking up without that weakness that seemed inevitable. It's as if the body gets a second chance to maintain strength and vitality, using sleep itself to its advantage. And this is just the beginning of what you're about to discover. You now understand that there's a simple way to protect your muscles during the night. But first, it's important to reveal the most common mistakes that cause the elderly to lose strength without realizing it. These habits seem harmless, but they are behind the weakness and accelerated muscle loss. Mistake 1. Eating only light carbs for dinner. Many people believe that a noodle soup, a small bread roll, or a plate of rice before bed is enough. The problem is that this doesn't provide amino acids, which are the building blocks for maintaining muscle mass. The result is that during sleep, the body seeks protein from the leg muscles, leading to a loss of firmness. The solution is simple. Always include a source of quality protein in your dinner. Mistake 2. Relying only on protein at breakfast or lunch. Many seniors concentrate all their protein intake in the first meals of the day, but at night, when the body needs it most to repair muscle fibers, they are left without this nutrient. This interrupts muscle regeneration and accelerates sarcopenia. The fix is to distribute protein intake throughout the day, ensuring a good portion before sleep as well. Mistake 3. Consuming only fast-digesting protein at night. Some protein-rich foods are absorbed quickly and leave the body unfueled just a few hours later. This means that in the middle of the night, the muscles are left without fuel. That's why slow-absorbing protein is crucial, as it releases nutrients continuously throughout the entire night. Mistake 4. Skipping dinner or eating too little. Some believe that eating a small dinner helps control weight. But when this becomes a habit, the body starts using muscle as an energy source. And the first to suffer are the leg muscles. The ideal is not to overdo the quantity, but to never give up on a balanced meal with protein and fiber. Mistake 5. Relying only on supplements without guidance. Some seniors turn to capsules or ready-made shakes thinking that solves everything, but often they don't provide the right amount or type of protein. Furthermore, if consumed incorrectly, they can cause intestinal discomfort or even harm the kidneys. The best choice is to always prioritize natural sources and use supplements only as a complement, with guidance. Mistake 6. Ignoring nighttime hydration. It might seem strange, but a lack of water directly influences muscle health. When the body is dehydrated, the nutrients from protein don't circulate well, and the muscles don't recover as they should. A glass of water before bed, along with the protein, helps a lot in this process. Mistake 7. Going long periods without protein. Sometimes an elderly person eats dinner early, around 6 p.m., and only eats again the next morning. This huge interval of nighttime fasting accelerates muscle loss, as the body spends many hours without amino acids. The solution is simple. If you have an early dinner, prepare a small, protein-rich snack before sleeping. These are the silent mistakes that steal the strength from the legs of thousands of elderly people every day. But now that you know which traps to avoid, it's time to learn a practical and delicious recipe to properly feed your muscles during the night. You saw that it's not enough to avoid mistakes. You need to provide the body with a natural protein that keeps muscles strong during the night. And here is the big reveal. This protein is in the simplest and most powerful food that exists, the egg. Egg white is rich in albumin, a slow-digesting protein that acts as nighttime fuel for the muscles. While you sleep, the albumin is slowly released into the body, preventing it from pulling protein from the legs and helping to maintain firmness, balance, and mobility. This custom is not a modern invention. On old farms in the countryside, it was common for older people to eat boiled eggs before bed, believing it gave substance and ensured strength the next day. Today we understand they were right. It was the natural protein from the eggs preserving their muscles. How to prepare it at home in a simple and effective way. Boil 2 eggs until they are hard-boiled. Remove the yolks and consume only the whites. If you prefer, prepare an omelette using only egg whites, seasoned with natural herbs like parsley or oregano. How to consume it. Have this meal about 30 to 40 minutes before going to sleep. Repeat for at least 20 consecutive days and then take a break for a few days. This ensures you get enough protein to feed your muscles throughout the entire night, preventing the silent loss that affects so many elderly people. Main benefits. This practice strengthens the leg muscles, improves balance, helps prevent falls, and maintains vitality for daily activities. Simple, natural, and affordable, exactly what the body needs at this stage of life. Besides the natural protein from eggs, there is a simple trick that can further enhance the protection of your leg muscles: magnesium. This mineral is known as the mineral of energy because it is directly involved in muscle contraction and relaxation. When combined with quality protein, magnesium helps the muscle use amino acids more efficiently during sleep. Ancient peoples already valued magnesium-rich foods to maintain strength. In the mountainous regions of Greece, for example, older people had the custom of consuming seeds and herbs rich in this mineral at the end of the day, believing it brought vigor to the legs and prevented weakness. Today, we know they were right. How to put it into practice? Along with the egg whites, you can add a small portion of pumpkin seeds, almonds, or even a cup of tea made with pure cocoa powder, which is naturally rich in magnesium. This simple combination provides protein to nourish the muscle and minerals to enhance absorption. The result is a body better prepared to repair and strengthen muscle fibers during the night, ensuring firm legs, fewer cramps, and more vitality upon waking. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue, all of this could be drastically reduced. And I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible. As we age, our levels of human growth hormone, HGH, naturally decrease. This decline is one of the main causes of aging signs, such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy, weight gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what GenF20 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss and reduction of body fat, improved memory, focus and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life, including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. GenF20 Plus has been tested in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known figure on television, who says, "I would wholeheartedly recommend GenF20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality." In the past, HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $30,000 a year in injections. But GenF20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention, this offer is limited time only and valid while supplies last. And there's more. You can try GenF20 Plus risk-free. You get 67 days of guarantee. Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment, no questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging. It's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. If this content made sense to you, don't let it end here. Share it with those you love, because many people are losing strength in their legs due to a lack of a simple action before bed. Subscribe now, turn on the bell, and leave a comment saying "I will start today" to reinforce your commitment to your own health. And don't forget, the natural healing supplement GenF20 Plus is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment, so act fast to secure yours while it's still available. Here every day I bring you practical, natural, and accessible ways for you to live with more steadiness, confidence, and independence. May God bless your life with health and peace. I'll see you in the next video.